Welcome to our essential guide on first aid training. Today, we're diving into why first aid training is crucial for everyone, especially in the workplace. First aid training equips employees with the skills to handle medical emergencies. This training prepares employees to provide immediate assistance while waiting for professional help. From CPR to wound care, these skills can make a life-saving difference. First up, CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is vital for cardiac arrest situations. Here you see employees practicing CPR on a dummy, mastering the correct compressions and rescue breaths. This animated icon shows the rhythm and motion of effective CPR. Next, we cover wound care techniques, essential for common injuries. Watch as employees learn to clean, treat, and bandage various types of wounds effectively. This icon illustrates the steps of proper wound care, from cleaning to bandaging. Knowing how to properly use a first aid kit is paramount in any emergency. A well-stocked first aid kit contains essential items like bandages, antiseptics, and pain relievers. Here, employees demonstrate using different items from the kit for various scenarios. Beyond specific treatments, basic life support procedures cover a range of emergencies. This includes techniques for choking relief and stabilizing injured individuals. This animated icon symbolizes the broad scope of basic life support. Let's look at a real-life office emergency scenario to see these skills in action. In this reenactment, an employee collapses, and trained colleagues immediately spring into action. Their quick, effective response ensures the best possible outcome while waiting for professional medical help. In conclusion, first aid training empowers individuals to save lives and make a significant impact. It provides confidence, reduces panic, and can drastically improve outcomes in emergencies. Don't wait for an emergency. Get trained in first aid today and become a lifesaver.